everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is xxMaythe for those of you who are new here. And for today's video, I'm so excited. We are going to be doing a Goyard unboxing first impressions review video. I did go to the London Goyard store. I want to give you just a little bit of backstory here. So I usually like to make any big purchases anywhere in the European Union. And it's because you get your taxes back. So I had planned an entire day on my trip to be able to go to Paris and to do some shopping and to stop at Goyard. But unfortunately, the timing of how things happened during the trip just didn't work out. So I ended up not going to Paris on my trip, and I decided just to stop by Goyard in London. To talk a little bit about the experience at this specific Goyard, I think I was probably in line or in the queue for like 45 minutes to an hour, which is actually insane. And I don't know what the reason is, honestly, because once I'm inside, like, I already knew what I wanted and it probably took maybe like 15 minutes max. I wanted to keep the packaging all together because I don't think I've ever featured the bag in any of my videos before. So I have already opened it. They do tape it, but I wanted to kind of keep it the way that it came. So it does come with a little ribbon on the outside. Here I have my receipt, which is just in a little card. Here we have the box. So I love this packaging. I'm really excited about this piece in particular. I'd been eyeing it for a while. I have shown a different color on my channel before, but there was just something about this specific color that I really, really wanted. So let's go ahead and open it. And then here it comes with this little guy. And then let's open it together. It is a green card holder. There comes a certain point in time where you just have the exact same like product in just a different color, which I think is really nice about Goyard. And I'm finally so happy that I was able to buy it and able to purchase it. So I wanted to show you today in case you're thinking about getting it. It's just beautiful. It's honestly such a timeless color. I feel like green is so nice and like it adds just such a nice pop of color. So right now I have been currently using my Gucci wallet. This is a bigger wallet, right, compared to a card holder. This one's a lot thin, it holds a lot less. So as of lately, I feel like I've only been using my credit cards. I haven't really been carrying any cash lately. So I think I'm probably just gonna carry 4 cards and maybe my license. I don't know, I'm like trying to think, like, what if I need my card to go to like the bank and you need like a debit card. In this front side, on the front side where it has the logo right up here, I don't know if you can see that because I'm sitting right in front of my window, but it just has the branding right up here. I think on the front side, I'm probably going to do this. So these are just the American Express cards. I'm a freak and I feel like I need to have them together. And then on this back side, I'm going to put my driver's license and I will put my other card back here. So I think this is kind of how I'm going to position it. I don't think I'm going to put anything on the middle slot in here just because I don't want to stretch it out quite yet. I think that in the future though, I might have my debit card, my credit card, and maybe my license in the middle. As you can see, I've put a lot of thought into what cards are gonna go where, but this is what the card holder looks like with cards inside. So it didn't really make too much of a difference. You can see, of course, now it's not flat on the side and the cards are in there. But I am super excited to have this. I've been carrying around my Jellycat croissant bag and I feel like a card holder is best because the bag is so small. So I'm really happy that now I have an opportunity to have this card holder, and I think I will definitely be using this a lot, so I'm super excited. Let me know down below if you guys have a card holder and in what color you have it, or if maybe you're thinking about getting this one. I hope this video was helpful for anybody. Just as a reminder, again, the card holder has 4 slots and then it has a middle slot, so you can carry 5 cards in total. You could probably double up, but just reminder, it's going to stretch out the leather over time. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.